Hello, my name is Della. Many years ago, I was facilitating a healing meditation circle in Southern California, and my guide indicated that a woman was there who wanted to speak with me. She had to come into my body to do so, and she indicated that her guides had told her to send her people out onto the planet to release souls that were trapped and earthbound. Our group was doing similar work. It was the first time that I had ever tranced. Many years later, I came to Mount Shasta and house sat for 4 years. And then in 1999, I finally found a sweet place to live in a cottage called the Josephine Taylor Cottage, a nonprofit grounds in Mount Shasta. The previous tenant called me and asked where was Josephine's book. I asked that I look for it in the cottage. When I found it, I read it and discovered that Josephine had been directed by her guides to go out onto the planet to send lost souls, earthbound spirits, on to the other side. And I realized this was the woman who had come to me 15 years before. She had guided me to her house on Mount Shasta. It's now called Spirit Walkers Retreat. I host drum journey circles, chanting, Sanskrit chanting, kirtan, Eckhart Tolle group. It's the venue for Mount Shasta Friends of Tibetan Culture. We host Tibetan monks doing San Mandala and Buddhist teachings. Mongolian shamans come. Peruvian and Ecuadorian shamans have been here. And I'm very pleased to be a part of this eclectic spiritual community of Mount Shasta.